so nipa union recognizing the oye president his excellency Dennis Apia Labi Ampofo oni ni mpanimfo a ye to abayi wo no omo ne nkrofo kra omo ye union no leaders enti obi fufu biara obeba wo ho se oye hwan ana oye asomasi ana oye obenten na ono na ye union ne panyin no ente sa ye put niema in place ye make sure say at the end of the day obiara actions are oye no enkofa ade a ebe run union ne down enti we so ne nkrabo kakra me pese me de tuja so obi biara nhwe ne ho yie won nkrofo ko a omo do omo ho asi wo se omo ye union ne mpanimfo ye ni union mpanimfo bia apart from it ya me de tuja aye his excellency Dennis Apia Labi Ampofo so ye union no kasama fo panyin on lo gina ho ma union no e wa bre biara mu on fa ne on tuni ho ma obi ana onye obi a onu obi na run sa presidency no enti ebe hwe na ye de anso to from na ya hwe ana montu ya ebe bo pa me das
okay menso me das papa no penti se dem di kan bibia ni ebe san ba bi mu
me das pa me das no
all right inti ye ni Bright Abwaji Jesse ono secretary for press and information at the National Union of Ghana Students NUS one more opportunities be aba regarding PhD scholarship omonsa kana yakwakodi nkomo nti se we university student na nyamia wadum we wu degree courses ni bi na wo pese wo further PhD more ekokoye petroleum engineering, chemical engineering, petroleum energy economics, geosciences, occupational health and safety, macrobiology, chemistry, plant science and biotechnology, and any other related sciences and engineering courses. This is a great opportunity for you. Number also offer now they will transcript ascendeno na any other relevant informations one making available 0249 179818 0249 179818 a scholarship any the Emma science students our epese omonsa eka PhD a scholarship aba nti mo hwena mo nyina mo nsa into me and can be all right nti maybe I'm betting me so
okay na the editors ni the chronicle ba man say fama gudie wo mu tubi pa e wa danse na no nam so ma ho ntokwa bi a asori no enye ntokwa ketua krata atwamfoni kakra de about me sasas no ayebodo azabanko ade ateso ehun sem krata di aba sanso ena e11 hun sama dom kuma no nipa makomakom yense bia tintim krata de ko Supreme Court say wo mo mpene ema ne tua no ema so no ehun sem krata yi adi aba the chronicle the obokrata
na the mede atwaso amamo daily analyst the obokrata no ana o chemu say afi MP no ane aduonu mienu kwa Easter no next wani so ka kire next wani pa na ense ka kire a chese we kwa jasehene ana wono so edisa semwede ato edwantimu amanko bi no ane mo amahwede no ma papa mode agumachi na wode atodwa enso de obokrata mu chemu say EIU one more report no ewo mahama mo chemu say ontimi enye kandini emfama NDC wa bro betimi adi nkunim no ana wode atodwa NDC MBP for che say amo hoden amo energy so nkokora NDC for pa de so omo ente report we no de John do mani mahama ba pe omo che say nwotwe no ene won bebumu say gen ebeye tietietie akora de amo etuwe say ode orua ya aboaben asamo a wono kasamafo kwankyerefo de ma MPP amanyuku no ana ode ne mfonyi enso ede api asemi eso ewa anomo na wakyese na nado danko akufado ene Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bawumianso wabo won ma ba so pa ewo Middle Belt Development Authority won mo kyese wobo adwuma pa no ma wodo odi gu akwaso no enye niema ketwa enwasem enso wode aba na yazu go piemu wa mahama ni officer wanu so say Wa mo ni EIU. Omo frɛn. Mo ti akwasi bro ni kurom na mo na mo kyerɛ Ghana no ma yenye. Ah, enkrofo we pa de. Eti yasu kopie mu anka ne Ghana ma pɛni. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne officer ne mpanyufo te say report no entwa tew enka hwe. O man fan sem no ne people ankasa de kyerɛ na fa ma. Yɛse yenyi Mahama mfiri wo hwan bi agenkwa no ne hwan. Daily analyst the Obokrata no without fear or favor.
Diamdi Tosunie, the daily statement the Obokrata. 1117 na wam zadiaba me batra sansi abrobro so dada. Na smakate di abandodo na ya brobro so NPP for nominations e wo constituency awodom no. Woma bie akrate de owura bia wahye ahyensode e chesampa oye NPP ni no. Woma de humfoni ato no se chese nominations na afidie. Woma bia tuma obia ebetumi akotintim kratai de obeye. Ehun sem krati ediaba. Sanso anampenifo bi atufu. A womo chese yemfa yembo afode. Yemfa yembo afode ne nya komatoyem se de bia o man konkron Ghana. Ebe nyini. Tese bi mu obi sori odwen no sa. Ore ya okasa asemi osofu pani o se yemfra sembo afode na afi ye nya tima bi mo man konkron Ghana. Ye ne sa Ghana ebenyi pa na fa ntema pa ediefra. The daily statement the Obokrata no.
Musunya tima ma solema.
Ayo musunya de.
Omunya tima ma solema.
So for you asuma o.
So bi se fa sori sika mo solema. Ti awo musunya tima ma solema. De bia omo edi ntwobo ba, di ntwobo mba. Omo boaboa no.
So for na de ne kan no.
Menim de opese wo kire.
Yemfa sori sika ma obi start edwa. Yemfa sori sika ma obi handa, yemfa sori sika ma obi nko school.
So da so wo solema. Aman for da so ko.
Na no fom ye.
Ano ye den?
Na no ne fom.
Asem wa ka repeat ya no.
Se ayi popo gbirigbiri etisi su asa.
Na dem wan so da so asorema.
Na no fom ye ma te se wa pachew.
Apachew. Wa pachew a onya action me yenhwe.
Oh, na say ukọ na sorry a owo nkrofo owo church members bibiri ono ade ne sika hwe wo mo.
Ndi ade nti na obeka sa asem.
Na me ka say communication no ho. Ka say ya ye kan. To da bi a
ni na ho so.
Utumi make statement bi a wankasa kura ukọ tina chire na utia no wa feel a bit sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Nti yes
na no
tintin so de sem fum so mpamu.
No so de.
Say obi okuani a otumi de sekan atwa no ho so ataze
enokre
se no nka wo tie mu abaka di nti na sekan no di atwa wo ho
de atwa ho
eyemfom so na bai no de sekan atwa no ho enti sanso so na wo so kasa no wo so sekan ne wa no
okay
etumi twa wo
okay
but ya ade emfom so no bi wonu ma etumi twa so ho no na okeni twa no sekan a bia nko ha no wa na watwa wo sekan ya ho aduro
udi insuohia to so no say aso ya twa so so udi insuohia to so no wu mia udi akaka duro ne yi rob ne hwan ade twi so say aso twen ni bia
ya no anya ne say nko
so what I say enti no ni aso twen no ana wo say aso twen ni bi ho ma ya na emfa kwan mu ho
ya sebu
to Ohyenkani so no so ne mfom so ne say
Ohyenkani mfom so otumi de ka pem
na ninda no so
sa
ibu on mo nam no otonku
sa no so tumi de pem
obi o wo mfom so ne say
teacher ni so tumi kira ade bi na o work mass na wati are wan teacher wanye bi da
mi bi pen
nto work ya do bi na wati sa so na sa wo so
banza bo so jina bod den ma no titi no to
abesa
mo teacher ni bia mo teacher ni bi o twa na say o so dugu kitwa pe no odwine to
ani huni senka asori pa nya omo ho nte ase nya huni se asori eyekuo ya aise ye forme association bi ye de boye ho a ka Ghana ko bi andi hia
da bi ko sen sori egu Ghana no obekọ kro bi mu
but on the American se huni se ye de for eyekuo ne yeti ne ye de aboye ho a nko obi ani obeye ohia ni wo
sana nka wo say ye
ena se sa ne tie
do de bia meka senya
ko sa ne tie na enipa so odin o de bowura asori bi mu na kwaji wo mo welfare book na bubu din the number of people omutua welfare wow better shock that's what I say but the same person na ontua welfare no or the same person answer no beka say and I sorry muame but the issue is also on contribute here
say you to collection
offering it there obetu but say o join ni ku a also a committee even political parties so butia dues
sure
omo bie ayi akwanya to say o wa wo pese o babi no bra be pribia omo hwehwa won kratam omo hwese wutua to omo hwese omo dues no wutua omo hwe how committed are we enti yes ubetimi abaye church member but untumi ma meye kwasi konso agina nkwanti a church member enka nkyerem se asem to wa ye meboa wo
na what about ye ne a yeso aye gina mu a ye de nyina ye hu ye na 24/7
na me ka se wo gina mu bidia a amanyofo mpokura na in human wisdom omunu se so ye committed dia ye ma na kwanya nkonkonko stand dia na wo asori ni mu a ye nyina nim se ye kwa wo kobi ye ba wo baby ne ye bia wo ye bi ato a wo se ye beboa wo so what I say but truth to be told your church members ni be brea asem to wo mo enwo sa asori ni di o machi
oh see no so de wo ho but
your church members be brea enwo sa asori sika hwe wo because won to be nyo
asa wo ho
asa ni ho church member na asem to a wo se nipa bekanti ni asori abedi wachi ye ba because efe se bia ye beba but amamra wo se ye ne wo se ye yes o kan ho dia e wo se de bia o ye bi amanyofo krampo tuatua to a deuce asem to mo de ye bibi na wo church member
se bi mo so ha mo so hu ni se omo kọ for se bibi to omo ye ba be boa wo mo
enti se no na wo motaye dia wo ba enhyehyeye no e wo ho na wo se wudi so so ya say o no se okwa wufu som a se ne a omo ba be ye wufu som na ye ne fe enti na ma na join ne asori no obi anka se mma wo bra na mom awufu som no before asori no betu no to abeye no ye wo nhyehyeye wo ho udi nhyehyeye no so a ye beba na se heaven aye ko ye nko ni free enti se da ho Bible si jabone yansa no akọ heaven na wo aba asori a wuntua du so se asem to ayemra meboa wo na heaven ye ko di firi aka ye nyina nka edi enti nka se nyankopon de nhyehyeye aba
obo de wo kan wo ho na ya hunu ade kronti ama ono so aye kwesi o gina kwanti o si wa ho yi
na se enu ti de bia wo kwa asori a ye boso untua odi so atua
de mbese mbisa ne se de enti ama wo ntua no ya hwehwe hu
era me se enu ti de bia igusu a ye kasa yi so what I say ena abrabo no so no wo ankasa wo bo bra no se we na wo se wo pede a sa ahenka na fam aha na wo so be ya adwuma de a wo so wotimi di o momra so
obo de America na me se bia onya
enti e bia ahenka na fam atwa atade e de ama adwumayefo yesi adwumayefo no obi anto se untumi ento a wo be kwa ko hunu management no na o ka jam say minim ne hawo nti won so te ho a se menya magician nti mi so am pan so mi nti mi hu ne hawo so aja say nti yes mi nti mi ntua bi se wani gise kuo no be ka ho de a e wo se wo nante company mfo ho na akoko kirekire mu chom se mpanimfo sika na mogigin mi nya metua but na nsen madwuma me ye no ebia sika sem nhye da nya we nti betimi am mfa nhye ma me na minya adwuma matua ne kakra ye kasa se wo ka ho de a wo se wo ma wani gye ho wakwa baifo camp da
o da bi o de minimum ni chaka tintimi ngo
adan mi humboja humboja
hwe okwa baifo camp ho de no
sa minimum
se obi aye committed
fine but oboy
so obi yare a otumi kan na ene de me ho mfa me na paduama no na
baba bi wonu ma na me ho mfa me fitiu
o enya no kre say o kasa wo ho mfa wo na ye mua wo a it means so sebre wo destiny ni o mo destiny
enye pe
nta wo say o free ho
oh okay
enya asori a wo ga asori be na akọ
me ko Pentecost
ara no wan ko presby se won so nyame wo ho
nyame wo ho
ara no wan ko ho
say one mu say me sunsun
wo sebre ne wo mo de ne mfa sa na tie etu dwan ni kuo
si me ko Roma akura na me jaye
o ka asem kire mo mu ntia you just stop hwehwe ku a wo ka asem kire mo betie
oh okay
so ajaje
I see
Sabe phone fa no eden.
O say
be phone fa no ka che no.
O na me ho fa.
Na bono hene fam.
Ni apadura ama no. Na wo Kristo ni wo ho fa o timi.
Nze, eni be bebre na ayo omo ba Kristo ma na omo nya mesoma bibie ho no. On say wakwasa kire obi a sebi mprediase ho. Oye kọwinsani sebi kafrachiu memfa ne sa. Ana sa nipai wa woni adwuma ye oni hwe wa wunimu ana wakɔtwe no na de na ba be wuram nti sa nipa wi no e wasa asɔre no mo so mo pita
no pibibia ma na ye
yes but ene no asɔre ne ntesa obi anfa ho
asɔre bebre yes ah
yes bebre o ebinom
okofa obi oye kɔwinsani a typical one wasa kyera no a unwie ye wo asɔre ni nwie ye ena ukwa asɔre bi mu a omo eku adwuma omo di no no that is omo mission say Pentecost omo evangelism asade bibiri wo ho ejisa mo kɔfa onipa ne ba e wo se mo make sure say wa ba be duru level a mo ye den mo hwehwe okay kan Bible a wo se mo a mo ho ye den no omo mo ho ye den mu nso mu nti mu so mu ade o ma duru ba bi a wo feel say afa de u jai no a ono abetimi aye den akọ enti yes wakofa na ba kọwinsani onye adwuma wasesa no unwie ye wama na tare ase afi asori ni mu no adwuma ben na anase nya asori ni mu kura no a wo hwe onipa no a afi no wasesa no a adwuma ben na mo pema no ebeboa no eya sa mo pa adwuma na ma no aye se ne ho na efew se de be ye ono so daatse obetumi ayi bi
so de aboa
sa na 70 ye
good
enti eno wo ho
point no
eno wo ho but me kan obi ono no ye church member no why na adwene so wo ye
so ono de ono why na adwene
ono ti asore dem why na adwene so ono no ye nyansani ntan nipa na wa asore dem
o won so oma
o de ato obi ansi ho enti eno no na so osofo na ka no wonte ase ya utimi jai ja asore no
ko so ado de wo bo apaye ba de wo sha ase tutu nu na ye na medwene ho cause obi wo no ma onya yanko be ye o but what tene
safo no so ye wo consideration bebre wo ho ma wo ye wo consideration bebre wo ma say ye obi wo ha say me say me masori mu wo Accra no sikara no mutua na ensana mintimi ntua wo deals ne tight ne nyama no na metimi atua ni nyina but omo ka kire me say because of adwuma no a me ye wa asore no ho no ma me ntua saa nyama ni nyina protocol ne de okọ heavy kure wo ho so what is here protocol heaven kura protocol
another discussion bro
oh yes
no man we here wo no mo no
say etaso
oh pra sorry them oh ye opening prayer oh ye praises and worship oh bompaye oh siesia sorry them
no say judgment to collection to antua dues
oh that be offering your to say dey wudidi etu unya sika offering your beto but say ye tua we no e no mo ye say because of the awo ye ni no ye tua we ne de
oh okay
so I say
cause often na dem nim say no tight na dey compose
oh to offering me gba for ye nyina ye gba for ya me bobi
nyina tie bia say bia ye tu kwan ye kwa ha ye fa ha no oh Matthias ye enya sare ga no ye ga mesia ne ga unshira no
ni nyina na metwi fam sa say protocol dey have ekwa ho
hey see
o se me boa okay kan Bible a o se nipa di bitin nsa nifa so ene bi nso tini nsa benkum omo tini nsa nifa so omo ye nipa cha omo tini benkum no enti
so omo so akatua na odi ama omo
na me kan protocol wo ho
heaven
protocol wo heaven
hey enti nyambe consider bia
oh me say o kin kan Bible a wabra Rebecca onyinsen ntafo no onyinsen hwan Jacob and Esau o ti asem we Nyankopon kan fa Jacob ho o si Jacob de me ono odo no e de ntu no enipa ntafo mienu na Nyankopon so do baako na baako de on se da ne nye fine
se bia kwan na ono nam so no ene ono ne na pede ne
yɛnyɛm no ɔhyɛ ne maame yɛmu ɔmo hyɛ ɔmo maame yɛmu na saa asɛm ne baa yo
case
eti protocol deɛ baabi yɛ wɔ
saa
eti ɔsɔfo no asɛm na ɔkaeɛ no nkyerɛkyerɛmu bebree wɔ hɔ nkyerɛkyerɛmu bebree wɔ hɔ but sɛ ɔka no saa na wankyerɛkyerɛmu deɛ a ɛne yɛ Ghanafoɔ
yɛbɛtwe aboɔ so
yɛbɛposa wo paa momeɛ ntoa so
oye deɛ no truth and accuracy every day that we can tell you daily graphic na daily graphic na wotem se ko piem wo abobrohia one more phrase omo tie so omo dane no mani krono omo toto neoma ama sisi a abese Dubai no to hwa watwamfo nyini de aba to hwe eye empempen se de se bitie na omo hye krono wi a omo hye wi a se de se beye no so omo twa won so de aba tumi se beye fe pa we de Dubai ne etamade aba no eti anwa sam ode aba ti ode nka mpuni mantam so afọ onmanyafo Henry Kote nimfonyi ana ode eba ye be peace so na wase economy no said yes bi aye no eno nanam so bia be ma MPP fo ma so be ya hino hwan na ekase we ya sa ye EIU fo ana omo so sade report we de aba na Printers Association fo na omo so esu awada oboka tayi mu a omo chem se publishers for no omo so afrase se omo so print textbooks ni bi ani ade a nti eno omo so sunsusu ye no enfata nti no omo so ahia so omo tem fra aban se aban hwei na onso enka ho asem enfa emma wone mo awde ho asem de aba ensem ni bi ka ho na daily graphic anopai wode baaye
Republic Press the Obokrata RP na krata bo amane atremu a owura Ben Efson say ND samonye kon be sa dinkunim e wasen not abeton peso so se wo mo ye by election a krata kroya san bo amane say Ghana School of Law SRC president agwano ye zo den sako bo sika bi ma sisi wo mo wan interdict no a enya senketwa krata
osinya no kre
Gani sinya no kre
yene ne kasa
ana omna be yin ho no
o wa be yin ho ano dada
wa be yin ho ano dada na ba ne se no enom de abaka tem na no yin mai
press release so ka hu
na me ka se o se enye no kre ono anka sa o mo twa ade ne fa no ho no aba o se enye no kre
o se enye no kre ne ze nka ta ne o ma twen je ba
na Ghana for say yetu ade so a wo se enye no kre
obi antu na ade so he is still the legally recognized SRC president at the Ghana School of Law. One also we tuna there so.
So mo tren krata bae.
Na za krata there paper ne pen.
Ntia no betim na ache, obetim achire.
Paper ne pen. Ayi abrantie ba ko yi. Nux. Abrantie ba ko yi ono so friend ho president elect. Ba ko aswe in. Ba ko so da so na so the president elect.
Asemu.
Ntia no there sa na tie but me ne ya na me worry ne say omo ye a school fuo omo ye youth a dache empanimfo ye wo ho yi ni ho a omo no mo ba na mo ye ayi student leadership mponi
na mo wie sky
oh
na mo wi abeya kandifo Ghana ni future we nya so that as Ghana o future
de me busa de abam tu say say wa ba bonte ambeka say nye ne kre no empanimfo ye de hu say sky yire ni ntom ka say on na afa
say allegations there allegations wo yeah wo Ghana hay allegations bebre
but na probably chese bi esika foto bi da on wa swate
me no ka say allegation bi because of social media no so den
we sika semu
na
allegation bi ana me ka say sika ne da ho wo mo say swate na say wo so na hweso nti say atene swate ne suspect wa
we na so suspect me eno nja se mafa
wa be ya no keke say enyo no ade fact aba na asesen
wa be ya no de fact aba
sa
wa be ya no de fact aba
say na nhwemu na be koso
it allegations ne de wo ho me no ka say allegations ne bebre ne na social media no so sa allegations ni bebre
asemu
hwa bruni mu na ade ka ho
odiawo
allegations ni bebre na social media no so sa we see we na yes say we say bebre
Russia embassy in Ghana
Say no say allegation.
Yeah, na allegation.
Ghana for
Mona mo allegation na Russia for.
Yeah, allegation no.
And your makan
Ghana for allegation say. Eniema bo aye den ne Russia ne Ukraine.
Once me emblem mo
nka.
Once me emblem mo say.
Am for yasem so ho.
Untimu na ma so gayire nya. Oda.
Ya for yasem so ho no mo am jare. Wa to economy na e tro kan mo de be say.
Ayi Russia embassy in Ghana. Once wo mti o mai mu wo mate. Se ne aban kasemafo bi obekasa bia na Russia Ukraine wo nti. Russia Ukraine wo nti ana embassy aba be yom on say. Musika se mo nye ne se mo nyoma nko ya mamfa nhye yen. Na nyanya entuko e ba wa mantipeni. Musika se mo ma ne enko bu Ukraine for. Ti mu ntwa so. Republic Press Delbokrata.
Ghanaian Times ana mede to aso. Na osoafo no ana hye enkabubuni mantam aso. Onimanyafo Enrico Atemfonyi da ha. Ano yase watwe eye waka se walanche dwumadie bi eno eye operation clean your frontage na wunnim na ye fiewura na so wo ye obi akohan dan na mo ye magin se mo fam hunjim ene ebewie mu asende bia.
Okay, nti gina soma me na me nkwa homa no so me ne Honorable Samuel Oku Jeto ablakwa ekotwetwen enkomo North Tom Rashe bedwani MPs mi ensa wo mede asem yi ko Supreme Court no yerai eka ho bi. Honorable Otemi nka AHENKAN FM so ni ya mo achen umpomboko.
Hello.
Honorable Otemi nka.
Yeah, me too kaze say.
Wadaro ma wachen amu akwa baba AHENKAN FM so.
Oh, me joso na me da sepa. Oboba also ho ye.
Nyame adome so me ho ye pa.
Ya da nyame ase.
Enti
ma won na tifo nyina a belated happy Easter.
Yeah, that's bibiri. Yeah, that's pa won so sa ya ma obi.
Me da se.
Anopedia ye ba mo hono mo enra ensem we ba be to montin so kire se wo ene wo mpanimfo bi de ensem bi akodan Supreme Court kire se E11 no na jeje ne yemfa tabo no ento so no kra wo mu a wadaroma enkire mu ne sen.
Yo, medasi. My man Damos is my friend on this very, very important issue. My man Boma Basos, Jumapa, Moya, or Eastern Regional. Met me a confirm is Andra. Yeah, no question. The Honorable Haruna Idrisu, Minority Leader, the Honorable Mahama Yariga, and me, the Supreme Court, I could file an application for an injunction on the unconstitutional and obnoxious E11 buying or more pese or more implemented on the 1st of May. Obekaya Oboba on the 30th of March, and I file a first case, substantive case. Supreme Court and fresh case me. The Jenaya change or more fresh case no, and you advert. Your home publicity, your home announcement, the Minister of Finance, it's 1st May, or mobile started AG at Tuono, 11 Tuono. And Yen Sono as conscientious MPs, law abiding MPs. MPs are your constituents, I can say 11 or Mumpe or Mum, and Yadia, as I say, your boy abiding or Mumpase. Ubekaya, this NDC caucus in Parliament, Yabua Abain a passé a Tobebre, COVID-19 levy, Yabua Abain, your supporter Abain a passé, sanitation levy, your supporter Abain a passé, ESLA, almost your more year extension, your supporter Abain, and your supporter Abain on various revenue measures, COVID by say, your supporter Abain. Loans meaning now more code J approve buying over $5 billion or more the fight COVID. Yeah, support buying. And I thought there be a big cassette say, oh, NDC MPs here. We are against taxation. Just general statements are or more there be. E-levy way no. ya steady ya komu pa ya tie expert no endra nkwa Chamber of Telecoms eguswa omo complaining say e-levy no nya dia beboa inti e-levy we no yam foaso yam constituents and say ya beboa abain to pass it. But having said that, it is also most importantly about saying abain kase and I say acquire abain afaso a pass this e-levy reportedly. Ubekaya you're working out at 136 NDC MPs per 136 MPs. It doesn't meet the threshold in the constitution of 138 because constitution let's say half of members of parliament present and voting. In the Abdullahi case, recently 9th March Supreme Court my judgment Omoka said 138. Now, Obekaya, Yen NDC MPs 137 of us. 26 November 2021, Yeka said, "You rejected budget." Supreme Court, Eka, in the Abdullah case, said, "We didn't have the numbers." It is a 137 and you're adequate to pass a decision. About the same 136, you're adequate. So, what you say, it doesn't make sense.
Mm-hmm.
That is our substantive case. You're filing. And you say, if the constitution is followed and if there's consistency, then says our case no you be winning. Now so no answer na you be that case no aban rush to implement the e-levy and ya share the aban sa no and you hu say look say ye din yan fight aban yan sign and court with an application for an injunction. The basic say aban beka say it's too late ya Jessica no the way na sika no cry ya no enya dia ya beto me assign dia magana for ebia ya dia see a coin ya dia see school ana ya dia tia salaries ana ya dia high luxury private jet ama President Akufo-Addo European companies no moji omosika nti enya dia e-levy no ya beto me dia magana for bill into Supreme Court is too late. To avoid all of this, Indiana, you filing this injunction application. Now, you survey parties no. Only lawyers make kasa. Say once our filing, our survey the parties no. Sa first May implementation, we have scattered it. And yeah, dear, are buying to me a kase, or they are going ahead. As I say, will be a training. Now, 4th May, Yanko Court, na Yanko Tie, the Supreme Court Becca about this injunction application you're filing. In summary, this is the reason. Supreme Court bill no. It is because of that. A buying in share or she said 1st May no. Or started AG at one and no na year prevented. We don't want an unconstitutionality to be accepted and this unconstitutionality to lead to further impoverishing of the Ghanaian people. Indiana, you are signing a court to ensure that this unconstitutional e-levy are buying and implemented.
I see. Enti dia yenim ne say yehwe mo nsem ana mo kan mo kire say on the 4th of May and hearing no ebeko so but yenim say implementation of e-levy no so be sha say 1st of May. Enti say hearing beko so 4th na implementation so sha say 1st May no ye bisa say how does it play out?
Very brilliant question. Into how it plays out, and it's once we file application for injunction, we file and we survey the parties. Lawyers know the culture will say once you have done that, as I said, will be a chain it serves as a stay until you are stopped. A buying end to me and Kase Mateo or radio so Mateo interview with Oboba Manyami copy have been served. Now so media changing and me implemented. They will be in contempt of the Supreme Court. And I can also assure you, sir, we are monitoring keenly into your means. Say, you who say, a bind per se or more coso, defy this application that you're filing, and they want to go ahead and implement that. We will again instruct our lawyers to trigger processes for contempt. And to be rest assured, sir, stopping the hands. We have frozen the hands of government, particularly GRA. They cannot. They must not. They are not allowed to go ahead on the 1st of May. As I said, will be a train for the 4th of May hearing. That is the position of the law.
Not to say, Moya aware, and I say, Moya sure, say, more lawyers are several omo matter to this issue, you know, almost several omo rate.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Andrea, you're making sure, sir, your survey will be you're making sure.
I almost so I responded to.
Yes, absolutely.
I see.
Absolutely.
I see. And CCA now could record much less afternoon you know expressing interest in it. Yeah, they know the basic a hands na fi achiri yaba ababetwa ne enchirichiri mu ne questions aka ewo eho ma mentwe won free eno ho kakra wadaroma na memfa womra EIU wo mo report no so ho na ja yenye wadwenkyere kakra mepese yebeje wo initial reaction as far as report yi concern NDC mu position anything and as you as a member
yo medase Eddie Kain mami fan to just say polls opinion polls surveys the EI 4-year the global info analytics or more year beneficence or year polls radio stations when you know more year polls nina Afro barometer CDD4 the pre-election survey, post-election survey, all those polls, all those surveys, University of Ghana, Nina no, Eboa, Emma, will strategize here, will campaign, the SSL, the SSL will call, what should be your approach? No? It guys, may I believe in scientific politics, and the researcher, Eboa, Yansu as a party. Yes, so yeah, internal research. And sometimes research may be bad. It serves even as validation. And I say, we can then wonder, say, what is going on? One must be wrong. The two of them cannot be right, and all of that. And we should encourage that more surveys, more polls, more scientific politics. And what is clear in this EIU report, and it's Ghana for Omwebu Efu MPP Abaino. Amambuna President Akufo-Addo of the Ghana for I go through for the last 6 years now, 5-6 years now. It's clear. Say Ghana is in the wrong direction. That's what they are telling the EI. And Omo Kase Ahunchira Abano Omu Mubida. Bibia Apaska. They don't have hope about the future of this country under President Akufo-Addo. And to do catch your EIU for no say, or move to Obama NDC is coming to power. But I can tell you that we are not complacent. Young Casio EIU for Casio, and push on more record in Ghana. Anytime they are on the Casio party, be winning or more winning. But it doesn't mean say we'll become complacent. Now you can say, you're winning with campaign cry, we are not going to rest on our oars, and we are going to work even harder because polls when NDC form one air can you Omo yaka say omo ntumi nwin no. Say kra na omo so omo koye omo edwumaden say even sika na ombe say ombe vote buy na ombe bribe voters they are even going to do more. It makes your work even more difficult as a party. I can assure you, sir, we are taking all of these polls in good faith, and it's not going to lead to complacency. But the Ghana for the name say what is our message? What kind of hope do we offer? And fortunately, no, we are likely to present President Mahama, who is the best choice, the most wise thing to do is to bring back President, because who can find new candidate? Might say if we can say, oh, you find new candidate, our chance will even be more better. It will be brighter. I disagree. Who share the history of elections? Apart from President Rawlings, who even him had been a military ruler for 11 years and had been popularized and marketed. Obiano, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, and son of to me winning. See how long President Kufuor was trying. See how long President Akufo-Addo. President Mahama is also different because the president passed. But Onokwano, he became vice president and was marketed. And it's easy to just be a fresh candidate, come from nowhere, and emerge as president. It's not good advice. Here you want Omuni Ghana, it's clearly not good advice. Our best bet President Mahama, he represents the safest pair of hands. Media Kamenkwa, the ticket, President Mahama, Professor Nana Jino Pukwajima, maintaining their ticket no. Usher what they achieved in just 1 round of elections. In CEDA, sir, you move from a parliamentary deficit of more than 40 seats, and then suddenly you have a hung parliament. And Shesena already you see deficit by about half the presidential vote deficit. He has shown growth, he has shown a certain positivity. On Professor Nana Jempokwajiman, 2020, even the MPP was surprised. He didn't give them a dog's chance. And I will say that let's maintain the ticket, and then let's not be complacent. Ghana for leadership of frugality, of empathy. President Obeba on presidential jet, Obe Chaka private jet, $18,000 an hour. Or say Ghana for Sika or Shea Sika. Omaya Yentumintia school feeding caterers, Yentumintia contractors. And their statement brink of 4 issue. Yenyanumo colleges of education, teacher trainees, they say buying Esika as I say yade a feeding yade more and into more decided they are facing out feeding. Because they're buying Sika and they owe the suppliers, the food suppliers. Look, every aspect, debt fund, NTI, health insurance, NTI, district assembly common fund. Look, everything is in arrears, except president, the creature comfort. Obetam Sika, Nawakwa Chata Jet, SCA, Obetumia Jerry, Wiemo, master bedroom, Womo, private cinema, Womo. Those kinds of things, and are all with our money. And Ghanaians are looking for a leader who is empathetic, leader or kanokre, or kase oba protecting the public person, obey a modest leader, a humble leader, a frugal leader, a leader who has his priorities right. Leader obeba who say, oh, sika ya jeno. Look, this is a president who has been blessed with over 500 billion cedis over the last 5 years. Now, so be so say, and then I'm they'll tell you free SHS. Free SHS, no, it's just 7 billion out of the 500 billion. Into the rest of the money, no, our infant.
Okay.
President Mahama did not get even half of that. Now, so, Yenina Yehun Ejima, the Terminal 3, Kumasi Airport, Ho Airport, Wa Airport, University of Ghana Medical Center, the only quaternary hospital ever built in the history of this country. Greater Accra Regional Hospital. Eastern region, where all the hospitals are started here. Abetifi Hall. You've seen all his projects all over the country, water projects. And yet, President Mahama, a lot of communities in the Eastern region, Anka, Insio, Eniho, all the way from Chebi, President Akufo-Addo, Ankasane constituency, President Mahama, maybe Insio, potable water. And this is a development and a nation building icon.
Okay.
How do I put it? Obia Oboijima. The track record clear.
Okay.
This is the kind of person Ghanaians are looking for. And Dudona Kase Omar regretted for voting him out. And they want to right that wrong by bringing him back. And I am clear in my mind, sir. President Mahama will return and the NDC will also return to power.
I see. The argument now has been said, fine, one political party, institutional, the reporter about Bonting, Nefren Biedia, Mwajia Tum say, even the writings is boldly on the wall. Ubienim say NPP, ebe free, a year abemu. Na the same ekuo no omo kan sa asem na moji tu mu no ase mon sesa mu leadership a eno de mo se mu no omo nya adwen.
Oh, I think as I say you can report me here. Almost ye be winning. And now omo ka say anka fa obi fufo a ebe enhance will win, but it with a bigger margin. Into Omonka say, if you go with President Mahama, you cannot win. Want to me and win it. There, what kind of report now? They are just talking about enhancing your chances. And that is the point they are making. But we are also presenting the counterfacts here. Share your history. Obian himself, look, 8 years, there's always a change. But we are not complacent and we are not taking that for granted. But we are also saying, sir, Minia, if you look at your history, people don't just become flag bearers and win at the first attempt. And open new candidate, Anka 2020, and I said, candidate. Now, yeah, the 2020 elections, I'm marketing candidate. But say, yes, you haven't marketed any new candidate. You have only President Mahama, who has shown that he can win for you. 2012, he won for you. Yes, we're losing 2016 and 2020, but in the process, he's been more marketed. There is no corner of this country on call. And why do you take such a risk? It is so dangerous. It's the most commonsensical thing, the wise thing to do, is to maintain him. It's a blessing, sir. President Mahama is still available and has interest, has energy. God has blessed him with good health. He remains our best bet. Minia, Sir President Mahama decided and they say uncontested. I mean, it will virtually be handing over the 2024 elections to the MPP on a silver platter. Indiana, that portion of the research, Usha, Ghana, your backosum, your history, the track record, how you have to be marketed and all, before you win. I mean, just check it. Shisha President Kufo, Oba 96, Anyeye, even 92, he was trying in the primaries, Anyeye, Enna 2000 crown, it was first round, he didn't succeed. Second round, Professor Mills, 2000 Anyeye, 2004 Anyeye, and Sana 2008, 3 rounds. There was a third round in time. President Akufo-Addo tried 2008 Anyeye, 2012 Anyeye, 2016 Ansana, his third attempt. Into Ghana presidential election, Anyeye is how say you just choose a new candidate. Now or you new inti. Because of that. I mean, on bar more baby more Enya Efija Sechana.
The BN Wahenkan
Ahenkan, okay.
Abuabo
Okay.
Achimodan.
Okay, fantastic. Nipa no mba hoda. Omba ho beye campaign da. Meanwhile, President Mahama wabaho several times. Nipa no on call Achimodada, on call Abetifida, on call Obo, Bombing, Tafu, all those areas. And then you think that just because you're fresh indeed, fresh boy and a fresh girl, not Ghana for Tuamano. There be Ghana electorate among behaviors who share your history, who share the trajectory. They always prefer a safe pair of hands. So we have to be careful.
I see. Enti not to say you perceive riding on the history of Ghana elections. You say every 8 years you be an san and memomu. Now I don't know being so bisa say I was say yes san memomu 8 years be NDC for jine no so. I say 8 years be san and into eden ya yakoto abana ye be wini. And I was some to me the alternative papa de ba Ghana for because a woman say yen trajectory and I history the saying it here, but a kui oma present sampa omudimu.
I mean, absolutely. That's the point I was making. I know Nana Maker say yes, polls, no, but Obia Kaso 8 years, but automatic. The elected have become very discerning. Share the AC 2020. This is the first time I hang parliament. And see that. First time we have a speaker who is not from the president's party. Share the course. So in many constituencies, presidential votes, call for a particular political party. Now, so parliamentary votes, another, a totally different political party. Skirt and blouse, baby. The electorate have become very discerning, very sophisticated. We are not taking anything for granted. That's the point I was making. It's about your message. It's about your track record and your vision and our character. To me, character is more important. Are you empathetic? Do you keep your word? Boy, this one, your character very important. I told your producer, say I have other interviews.
Okay.
And say, as I say, your Pemre, I would really love to. I like your line of questioning and your hosting skills. Young arrange it now. On another day, I may yet be busy. It'll be Joy for booking me 8:30, but it's just notice it's about 8:50 now.
Sure.
If you don't mind, then reschedule. Now we can go deeper into all of these matters. I would really enjoy it.
Agreed. Inti yate yebedi nkomo so echire hoye da se bebre.
Asidane
Yamisha so inti yene honorable Samuel Okujetu ablakwa ena etwetwe enkomo no. Ono no eye member of parliament North Tongue abatfo pesuaso hono no wo oka MPC makomakomiensa a womo ede MPC mienu ono ka ho amiensa a womo de asem akopie mu Supreme Court che say 11 no empanifo hwe na yenyae jeje anyways, so some 50 minutes after 8 still live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. Yebekwe anim ewo adamates nti EIU no say me catch say yebema wo omo history kakra. E catch say yebema omo history kakra na wetimi ehunu omo ye ka say EIU no a omo firi hen fa omo bagana hakra da omo predictions saying ena etie inti eno so ho asem no inti wo mo bakosem kakra a me de ma na fe ya to adwumadie no eso no EIU omo eye eku a omo United Kingdom London ehono mo eno omo ye from Economist Intelligence Unit and I say Economist Intelligence Unit juma omo die edoso se na medical catcher on United Kingdom ena womo ewo na oma predictions bibri ewo Ghana abatfo ho it all began 2012 on be catcher Ghana for say Yera Mahama sabre no obewini but with a slim margin na just say obebremu kakra obewini but obebrim kakra ye nyina ye hunu said ye koko wie ye ni victory no koko pie mu Supreme Court finally and so I agree ye say ono na ya to abade ama no to na mamu so this same ekuyi eba be kan say 2016 omo be kan say omampani Akufo-Addo ebewini omo cite reasons ne be ma omampani Akufo-Addo ewini omo kire corruption high cost of living any sene na brabo mu aye den lorry fare agitations upon agitations na labor groupings ni nyina omo demonstrate inti ema omo kan say based on sa nyoma no. And again MPP as at the time 2016 manifesto omo present here na free senior high school wom na womo agenda ni nyina ye agenda for jobs no say as at the time na Ghana for be bring so say adwuma ni ho IMF and so ebemu Emma omo the conditionalities be breed by IMF omo conditions omo the buy be ni say omo be freeze government employment intimi mfa enipa bi adwuma eno wo ho eno credit di mu ma ase na abrabo ni mu aye den kakra NDC for your madwene say sa na tie dia allowances na ye de ma trainee teachers any nurses no omo be jai eje so omo jai so omo ntimi ntua o omo jai na omo substitute with student loan na omo abie eye a friend is saying training colleges no omo biem entity say bia because of say na ye mala once in no na ye capo ye wo a certain number of people ye fa wo mo se ne be ye betimi atua wo mo allowances no omo ye se omo yi allowance ne de free ho na afei omo biem enti senka ye fa nipa 20 because of say ye yi allowance free ho enti say ye betimi afa nipa be 40 no omo nyina nso atimi anya akwanya akwa kusua de ekofa a whole lot of issues in the buy Ghana for yenimini see ye Emma 2016 coupled with yen history as or my yen political history say every 8 years be an SSA mamumu no Emma benefit no ekodema NPP aban 2016 in the 2016 one more prediction no so ebemu 2020 almost sign a predict so mampani Akufo-Addo besan a maintaining the seat na so na so be hye ye nyina be di adanse say 2020 mampani aso ye hye pa e ka se dwie anka wo ko opposition enye free senior high school na ba mu a anka se mto wo but eno mpokura no wo hwe parliament na ye course wo hodo mo a omo predict ye say NPP for be lusu seat bebre ampa ni nyina ba mu. And the same people no ma san aba biemu a omo dey another prediction aba dan omo kire say 2024 there likely say NDC ebe wini omo san kire reasons into omo no omo ka say we ebe wini omo kire de enti obe wini omo kire reasons into a NDC be wini na mom omo futuo no ase ho kakra bi no e na omo kan say omo be wini na mom e was omo revitalize womo leadership no nanka omo fa candidate foforo emfa emra na eno na ebi mu kire say afutuo ne de ye obi nso tuufo a ufa de ye wo mu no wafa na enye wo mu no na eno de wato atwene omo kire say JM ne de kwakukusi bese waba no obo ho se bita onkoye insuo mu awia mu apetampe omo kire say JM ana eko nti eno nso so ho ensem kakra no EIU omo abakosem na ya kirikiri mu kakra e de akire wo omo predictions ahodo obi nso na de ato wani no na omo san a predict biem de afa economy no ho omo kire say Ghana economy no it will grow omo kire say this year no Ghana economy no ebenyini na omo san ma futuo biem a eno nso so medicine MPP for say futuo no omo so mfa omo kire say Ghana economy ni de ebe grow na ebe tumi a anka Ghana ban enko IMF say futuo no nso medicine MPP for mfa enti ekuo baako tufu a yɛfa bi ne yɛyi bi ato atwene yɛmfa ne nyinaa sɛ kuo yi a ɔmo predicted 2012 2016 2020 a ne nyinaa na political parties ne bi gye tum NDC for de ɔmo de na ɔmo nyi ɔmo ayi predictions ne bebree hɔ ɔmo nyi ntom sɛ kuo yi a na ɔmo ma predictions upon predictions a na ebi kɔma NDC na ebi akɔ ama MPP na ɔmo nyinaa gye atom no ekuo no abɛ predicted kyerɛ sɛ 2024 NDC ɛyɛ likely so ɔmo bɛ wini MPP for sɛ ɔmo ne ɔmo nya adwene predictions ne de ɔmo ama na so so sɛ ne etie bia the 8 will be broken ɔmo si the 8 will be broken nti yate 2024 but warm up ne hyɛ aseɛ free saa bere yi ɛkwan aban no nso bɛfa so atoto ne nneɛma sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ampampampa o breaking all odds na o breaking 8 ne sɛdeɛ ɔɔka no a adwuma a ɔbɛhyɛ aseɛ saa bere yi ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ yɛsɛ wabɔ mu anaasɛ wadɔ ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ wabɔ mu nti ɛno nso so ho asɛm ɛno no K Asenso Limited sɛ menka nkyerɛ wo sɛ ɛyɛ swinging wheel office chairs quality wooden chairs na wopɛ a ɛyɛ K Asenso Limited quality wooden chairs nkonnwa a yɛdi nnua papa de ayɛ bookshelves wɔ office bi a ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi nya bookshelves a wobɛkeep document ne nyinaa wɔ mu sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a wɔkyena bi the right owners ne ba no ɔmo ba bibisa wo a wobɛtumi a go straight to the shelf na wayi wɔn adeɛ de ama wɔn na bookshelf a ɛyɛ papa na ɛbɛkyɛ ɛde ama wɔn no ɛyɛ K Asenso Limited pɛ ɛna wobɛnya afre Circle Adabraka of Iran Clinic Kaneshi yɛwɔ Flamingo Road Zango Junction yɛ ano afrɛ yɛn wɔ 0202 257209 0302 257 209 0302 919 739 a very good friend osi utie yɛn ɛwɔ Nigeria osi yɛfrɛ wɔ sɛn Port Harcourt anɔpɛ yɛkyerɛ Nigeria fo nyinaa wosi wotie yɛn via www.ahenkanfmonline.com yɛda ase bebree chidi yɛkyerɛkyerɛ Nigeria fo yɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa K Asenso deɛ no ɛna yɛde asi no Ɔkyenanti Enterprise ɛnso so sɛ ɛyɛ car battery ɛna wopɛ a nea ɛyɛ din ɛyɛ papa na ɛbɛkyɛ ɛyɛ Ɔkyenanti Enterprise ɛna wɔwɔ ɛne nti yɛkamfo de ama wo ebia na wo car battery ni bi asɛe wopɛ sɛ wosiesie ana wo bi wopɛ sɛ wo swape ɛno nso so woba Ɔkyenanti Enterprise a onsa ebetumi aka akyem ɔdan yɛwɔ community hospital akyiri hɔ no kɛde nso yɛwɔ amusieɛ n'akyi ɛna asama kɛse yɛne barrier no ɛna edi nhwɛnimu 0245 639 ɛno number abɛfrɛ na afei Samchi Enterprise ama wo Unisem Cement Ghana wɔn product no papapaa ne bi Samchi Enterprise ɔbɛma obi Unisem Cement no yɛ mu ahodoɔ mmienu yɛ ɔpepa mu deɛ ne ɔwɔ rɔba mu deɛ na wo ba yɛbɛma akwankyerɛ ɛkwan a bɛfa so a wobɛsi dan no wobɛhia cement nneɛma papa na wode adi saa adwuma no ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise pɛ ɛna wo nsa bɛka bi new story building no a yɛabɛsi ɛne Dukes filling station ɛdi nhwɛanimu ɛwɔ akyem ɔdan Amantra Wache Junction no ɛhɔ no mo ɛna wobɛhunu ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise ɛyɛ no afrɛ yɛn 0243 58 3190 0243 58 3190 ɛno ne number abɛfrɛ na yɛtumi agye wo so woyɛ mason wobɛtɔ cement bags ne bɛyɛ sɛ 50 and above a yɛwɔ ɛyɛ akyɛdeɛ kama bi yɛde ɛbɛma wo ano herbal ɛde ano bitters ɛne capsules ɛnso de aba koko ɛna ɛtete wo osisi yɛ wo ya wokɔ mpɛ mu a na ato kasa tenten adwuma a wɔsɛ woyɛ no wohwɛ mu nyɛ nkurɔfoɔ nsɛm ɛna wokeka a woma ne kɔ so bebree saa ɔbaa ɔbɛpaa wo tantan so one day ama asɛm bɛto wompɛ ɔhaw bi a mekamfo ano herbal ne bitters ɛne ne capsules no ɛde ama wo akɔno a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya de ma ɔbaa no bɛrima no ayera awaafoɔ mekamfo adure di ama mo ebia na mpamu yade anase nemu yade wakotete bi atwa mekamfo adredi amount wanu mu atuntumi ne di wakoma bo wo pedi oba wo kwa fichiro bi ate wonka be ma adwapade na memkom ewo se utumi ma wonsa ka bi na eboa wo pa ano bitters ene ne capsules no omo ye ntafo achim odan ubenya bi ewo EKS Simim Drugstore odan Old Town Zango oba AHENKAN933 aboabo nso ai no so nsa beka bi ena afei any leading herbal shops across Ghana onsa ebeka bi 0541210227 0541210227 ano heba omo adaro mo mukra yemu ene edi dwumadi edi mamo na Frontier filling station so say taxi drivers trotro drivers Okada riders ene mo amodi fuel edi dwuma mekanfo Frontier filling station ena edi amamo aboabo yene market ne di nhwe ni mu yen fem go pe ena wo ba ya tetene bo ne so eye kama yemfa nsuo mfraye sade nkrofo bi ye no no yempeye ho anyantem yerimisa brabo eye nkakra nti nkakra no obia nsa beka ne de ene nti wo ba Frontier filling station a yen fuel no yemfa nsuo emfra yen diesel no so yemfa nsuo mfra eye original right from eye refinery ho ena ye de bremo yasi beyond excellence eno ne ya hotedi Frontier filling station I don't know abusuya madaroma mo ma yentie wei ye ba ye to aso enkomo no ne aka ne doso pa analysis nso so wo ho editorials said you be friend bia ne nyina bi wo ho no mo enko ba bia ye ba ye beto aso
adwumayfo me mamo ayiko ya na former way master me wa ha na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo total so se wo ba price no se wo twa blocks so se wo to blocks so ama ye adwuma ye mbre
unisam cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wo adwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product unisam cement ye obotom na pepa mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no ben bi ato
so wo pe unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha wo be kwa some cheese enterprise ye wo amantra ye ni Dukes filling station na di ehwani mu fry 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewade free some cheese enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ye ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
malaria ya banana edru na bo tenate fix herbal the fix mala mixture wa abon pitu wa abon bede na otu malaria se prekupe na aba se wuti yow wenuma ato wa powder nsisi wiye akọ aspiti ana akọ test ma wo se enya malaria ma malaria nzi unye bio for fix mala mixture na obama wa pomuzin prekupe kwa drugstore ana pharmacy shop na benya fix mala mixture ato na se pendudu etwa ko fix herbal wo adenta kantamanso ana frɛ 020-844-4442 020-844-4442 fix mala mixture dri obi a wenyin san anorma bofraba enufu ana bofraba onzi mfidu ebien mfa fix mala mixture enkratu yi FDA apenodo
Se open mobile phone papa enkwato ayusu dia na no ane big sound phones your original phones bia awa ya so ye ani bono so afuye papa se open Infinix phones Samsung phone Tecno Motorola Nokia phones iPhones bia no bomodi na bra ya so ye na bra betu bi cotton afa ye swapping so mobile phone no person se sound ne ma fofra wo papa ye betu bi ma fofra no ayisu afa ye laptops na bi o ye sound to laptops afa mobile phone no so enya ho ha bia bomodi na fabla big sound phones na fa ye momo de repair mount. On the fuck, I don't say it to 4 more. Phones no so ni bo fuye papa. Any laptops on ya repair any sound tone. Baby, I be we chikwano. Of a JB Abrusa Kessian. I am Boga Fish or Uber to me a friend 0249 653780 and 0248722049. Big sound phone, mobile phone, and laptops, papa. And just what else?
Admission. Akim State Senior High School. Yasha Sia Yasan AJ Afofro. Wana Wabi JHS. Okwa SHS. Ya Bia Ya Pro Atuho. Ya courses Ahodo. Ya business. General arts. Home economics. Visual arts. PR science. And technical. Neti. Ya science our boarding facilities. Ya wa special room. Ana Enuania Eya Papa. Ya wa laboratory. Visual arts studio. Food lab. Ya science our modern computer lab. Today now pe. Sao pesa utro remedials nso a. Ya de oba fan kyerɛkyerɛ mu bosom sia pe. Na nkɔtwerɛ wasi na. Ubetwa ne prekompe. Ya wo teachers fo a. Omo ni mu ade na omo kyerɛ ade a. Omo ho etwa. Awofo e. Ene ahwɛfo a. Momma antumi antwa wasi. Sane atie bia ma anwe ho fa ne bra. Ya bema na twa ne prekompe. Na ka ne hu sɛ. Ye gusu a. Ya gye afoforo a. Omo eba from why. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wo Akim Oda. Ya ben Akim Oda Ohima na himfie ne pɛ. Wobetumi afrɛ yɛn 0556 409040 anase 0207 163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School, hard learning, easy passing.
It's the 11th edition of the prestigious Franco Focalist Media Awards, happening live on the 30th of April 2022 at the National Theatre, Accra. The nominee with the highest vote goes home with a brand new Toyota Saloon car. Download the Focalist Media app on Play Store or App Store to vote. For Ahenkan FM to win more awards, vote Obuoba Ofori Amanfo, Morning Show Host of the Year, Kwabena Kosti, Mid-Morning Show Host of the Year, Joshua K. Ejenim, Sports Host of the Year, and Kweku Nkrumah Frikas, Drive Time Presenter of the Year.
Ghana Adisiye, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba AHENKAN933 FM.
So 8 minutes after 9, still live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. Yeah, that's Sibibri said, OJ Bread Train Yen Ma Yakoto Enkrano Yasain Abebium. Happy birthday, Enko Emfa Emma Ofra Sarah Kaku. Sarah Kaku. Sarah Kaku. And your birthday, so happy birthday going out to you, so and from Charles Ni Teko Tego. Charles Ni Teko Tego. Or say happy birthday and confirm a boss. Gabi Asari Ochre Dakon. Gabi Asari Ochre Dakon. Inti Gabi Asari Ochre Dakon. Eye Omampeni Kufuado. Ne wofase. Any birthday inti happy birthday enko emfa emao. And also I see. Anyway, so I'll come to birthday wishes and on Yakano later. I'll come to them later. Now I'm paying so you be come from Brim Central Municipal Assembly. Opinion waba or you never won't come but my main kwahumane so na mini Joshua J. Clue and Concord Train and common fa Ghana economy no kakra. You crew ya or in Sembi Braba, no mass and in Semple for the album, which is a Ghana economy this year a big grow. Era, what's it mean? Come on, my pumbo code. Nyamia dom yens young here, papa. I don't know, say movement to be cause why you receive a feed be from or end the honomo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think say it's okay now. All right, inti share you omo report no mo de buy ya with regards to Ghana yen economy. Omo kire say this year e be grow, but omo sign ma kwankyere bebre wo ho omo say e betumi anka yenko IMF. Ono omo ya adwen.
Oh, there we need omo ya adwen. So sure. IMF enye bi ya e be yenko. For the meantime, so sure because it will come with conditions. And as you say, we are not ready to be treated as a state by any external institution.
I see. Afei mayɛmra mo report no ɛso ɛnneɔma bɛn saa na ususu sɛ aban no ɛyɛ ne yie a afei deɛ ama indicators no point to the benefit of Ghana.
I believe it's cutting down on expenditure. It's very good because you are not supposed to spend more than what you can generate or what you can generate to spend. So that's one thing that is in the right direction. So you have to look at how to cut down expenditure. And also we have to look at our rate of debt accumulation. Our debt accumulation, the time our percentage we are more percent. Price very now my amortization cost, the amortization, interest payments, and loan principal payments in the back from Sakra money because I say here, car I 20 revenue, you need now that you amortization.
And the ususu say sa expenditure ne some expenses are ne cost no a ya cut it down no eno na aboama yehunu say the economic indices ni indicators ni na point to positive. Yenim say sa directive say ba yes yen cut it down certain expenditures ni na no but for a while in the economy no what is the future of it?
Yeah, so I know. And the youth, the government is trying very hard to make sure it comes to situation from personally. Because it is going to help something else. You're not going to do extra revenue to help. And so that's one of the things. So the government has to also look at how to plug the loopholes in the system and make sure the revenue systems are functioning effectively.
Oh, I see. Just yes, idea economy no. Even with or without NPP, because we're in nine so. I see. I've been told you say why you're a bit busy. In my infancy, I be near a better baby. All right. Into any Joshua J. Clue na to train in common or finance accountant expert everything economy. Opening you have been wo any train sa brief conversation no. Watch out nyam kakra. They say ERU. Omo dia futu ba ye say ofa bia no we bi afiri mu. Opening up mo ko de.
Boko binua. Ozo hu ye.
Nyame hu ye mobo.
Good. The nyame ase. And that's also say another special day.
Sir, maso ye hot saying.
Na de ye ko Easter ba de. Ye say adwuma no etoa so.
Moko bi.
Me dey man ko bi. Me na me sure aja ya crucify me on Friday me nyane Sunday e be dey na matima ko.
De wo ye Yesu.
Na me dey we fi me din ana.
Say eye wudin but enye onye Yesu ana.
Jesus ya dey enye Yesu na.
Let me say Jesus dey o Jesus bebre. O ken kan Bible o Jesus bebre.
Fa no to fa sa the others no. Me
Oh, I see.
Nti menua nti Easter no yakwaba. Yaba di adwuma ye beto aso. But menua mame there are unknown bodies bi wo Oda Government Hospital mortuary ho na the municipal assembly we are making an announcement any hospital for agree say that all those unknown bodies no yeah announcement
na che say enkrofo ewu omo wo mortuary ho
omo nim omo
na yennim omo abusuafo.
That is it.
Aren through them
some
accident
and binom ye purpose binom so ye ofi ba bi na oba ye so and so ama mortuary ho no aye choked.
Nti mpese mo ye max barrier.
So ya started your announcement e bia obi wo ho e bia na busiani bia tukwa na se bibisa wonte ne ka then you can just verify okwad you verify because a bit check
na I know say no kwa obi hunu ne de
so kwa look as they have a record of all those anti ebasa omo the pictures no be chechero na wahwe say onipa woman then
mo yi no akoye ho amamre
but oma ya anti now a decision has been taken say yeah announcement for some time and then we go and do mass burial out me utati kra some baby omo taye abi so ho na busi ani o si ho kra meji body ni kra bim
one sheda mo brasa ya na
yes, so that's some of the issues.
Oh, I see.
That's what we are appealing to the general public say and besa. Now, I mean, there is something going on in our municipality, and then, in fact, I see it to be is I don't know whether it's indiscipline or it is intentional. It was a car park, a lot of car quine so, and just say, "O park a car is lot of quine so for more than 24 hours." Because they
and you say once I the car ni si ho ma de
echi and now say can crash say within a short period no just so you can if you car so
but say nu na ye di towing levy by
good but say no your municipality man who say it should call rounds and who say most cars be say o ma park si car kwan so sometimes it can cause accident.
That's say e bi mo afei na mo hu because ye one cran ye ni say e bi mo kra mo park o mo cars wo
that is in crime
kwan so ma de echi
that is in crime
sa na o ma ye no
but here no what I'm saying is that obi wo ne car no nye say o park ma de echi ama o tu afi ho when asay na wajasi for almost months ni wajasi ho nti they said now what we are going to do is you be to sa cars ni nyina afi car kwan no so and now so onim say o car si car kwan mu asay si ho for some time won twa brabi ifi ho and yes I say assembly yeah betu ye to car na de ko si ye ho a oba obetua to infi no na wo say tua a penalty for it and abi so asafa sa at fact and I say even car kwan no so aye washing bay
omo horo cars no kwan nim so kwan no so angasa
it's not allowed abi so the car kwan no so aye fitting shop
the car ni say ya no aye wo ho
aye wo kwan no so and so it's not allowed nti yesre fitters ana mo use mo cars car kwan aye washing bay no it's not allowed ana mo so mo use car kwan no so aye fitting shop it's not allowed cars and also access si car kwan no so nyina no so when you say o car kan ho a as early as possible no ko yifi ho ansana assembly abetu afi ho etu afi ho a can obebo because can nya be kan ensem dia that mean you have to pay a penalty for that. Okay, and that na me say me dia tie for efa yeah bylaws no mo because there are certain things here I say ma tie for ehu what is in it and you say law no chi wi ansana ana law no okoto mera mu a ansana obaka say o na me nim say mera bibi sa ho no yeah villages and I say towns na atwa ya hie no jet them odan kwanta same ni other villages ni nyina no say ka Brim Center Municipal Assembly by law anya only odan kwa it covers all these communities nkura say what around ha nyina no sa ya by law we capture omu nyina ya say loading and parking of vehicles until we say no say assembly and authorize and I say yama ho kwan say ko park o car si ha na load a eni wo kwan say ko park car si ho na load enti na yawo city gas okrum o park be anyhow na load ya na say wo load wo anyhow a kwan so a ya city gas ho kwan say o mbetimi arrest you ana ya say payment office ya lorry park ho na ye ba bia ya say cars enko park ho no mun load nti sa okoko park ho a e o fee bia obetua utia then 2 cities for the whole day and a park of vehicle all vehicles shall be parked at the place approved by the assembly say assembly kwa na wo ho kwan say betimi ama kwan say park car no wa ha ana load ana say fanipa wa ha daba ana say daba bia ni ho kwan say obesa nti say wo ye na assembly echiwa don't blame say assembly echichi cars clamping of vehicles persons authorized by the assembly it say city gas ya authorized omo so ko park car ni si ba bia ya hwe say traffic ana say be koso problem bi wo ba bia ya city gas ho kwan say o metimi aklampo car no ana say o betu car na aba office nti nya say ba bia sori ya na wa park o car ana say wa ko gina say me load in untumi enya sa there are laws governing this and opposing of trade and on road and street we no bi e wo ho ne store no or store ana wa chire niam na begu car kwan no so it's not allowed and so wo store ma onema nyina ko store no mu mfa onema amba car kwan no mu because e basa na car ebe fa onema no so a you have no say because car kwan so yenton niema ewo so ana entry and exit of vehicles okay I know the cars no so munya wura omu nimba bi a omefa api nti we nyina no wantimi andi mra we so a yese ya chiwa obetua 50 penalty unit and also obekọ for imprisonment obekọ prison for 1 month nti we de yesre okay ya ba lorry park ye main lorry park ho ye soja ho ye soja ho means untimi fa report ensi ho en soja because lorry park ho no ya di kan aboda wuro se ye soja ewo lorry park ho ana so was a dumping of refuse yesre mo amoye moton niam wo around the lorry park area ho nyina no so ye nwura aboabo no na sesa container si ho a fokugum container ni ho de aboabo gu ba bia wote no ade chi a se zoom line was assembly cleaners no ana laborers no ba o mesesa don later ache se obi di onya odi yogurt ana se wonu mso wie na wato rubber na atwene da bi aya mon so wonu mso wie a rubber no ana se sachet rubber na wonu mso no aka no onum wie a peba bi na fa se das bi kura be ho a fatum nya se odbe twene ba to atwene ba hard because e basa na kro no e fin nti yesre ana prohibition of hawking assembly hawking at the main lorry park is not allowed because recently an incident BC let's assume say the hawking ni ho say car na bia e ba asa na bia e be kokopem another car it wouldn't have caused any death and the hawking at the lorry park is not allowed. A person shall not carry out any hawking. And as sale of alcohol, yen ton so area or within the perimeter of the what do you call it, the main lorry park. Yen ton sawo. Nti ye chise wo ton sawo bia na assembly no ebe di no nyonyo. A person shall not sell alcohol. Nti yen ton sawo offenses. We nyina no say mra we no wan ndi so a ye say obetua 5 penalty unit and answer obekọ prison for 1 month and above obetua penalty unit uvia na yesa ade wo akọ court yaba communal labor binum say yatwam entwamu yaba law no say ohene ana say chairman of the zonal council ana say assemblyman ana say obi a yayi ni say omba organize communal labor bia wo krom bia so no ewo ho kwan say nkroma na amoti sa kru no mo bekọ sa communal labor but eno so before communal labor na beba so no ye ma 7 days notice so de be ya obi a baboabo no ho na ada no so a na yakọ communal labor no they notice that the place date and time nti ebia be communal labor next week a ye the time and the date be she ho na ya bon kai ya boda wura ma obi a anya no ho ntia say that say ye be call communal labor. Yes, participation. Wa wuti krum ho. Ana se wa uya adwuma o krum ho. Mrane se communal labor ekoso a achese wo so ye bi. Unless e bia wasre kwan. Se e bia utu kwan ana se bibisa then eno de ebetimi azem to afiwo. Offenses se mrano wan ni mra we so a yese ubetua 5 penalty unit ana se you be call prison for 2 weeks na wakodam slaughtering of animals ba bia yeku moa say ya was slaughterhouse a person shall not slaughter an animal for commercial nti say commercial a untimi nku aboa ofie na mfa kwa ya aduane emma kroma na say nipa dodo nti say ubeku aboa ama nipa dodo adidia then it say we dey slaughterhouse ho enko ana obetimi akoku aboa no ho ana ho no so okwa ye wo ya training kofo wo ha obetimi ayesa ana ye wo environmental officers so a o madwuma no say o make sure say aboa na oba be kunu no aboa no we good health on yare ansana waku aboa no. The slaughtering of animals shall be either by cutting the throat to kuabwana obetwa ne mene and say shooting with an approved by the municipal health environmental health officer. Until either a better many and I say a be shoot. It depends on the type of animal abuana or per se ukuno. Animal shall not be slaughtered within sight of another animal. Okay, we so say who kun emphasize who kun and tria and I say who kun upon chia. Untimi kun upon chia man in your upon so enyina ho hwe. Aha, so it's not allowed. Until and so ana clearing of carcass. Ye nuanum bebre omuku aboa na omde car ties. Na omde ehu aboa na say omde esiesi aboa. No, it's not allowed. Lorry ties shall not be used in the yen use lorry ties and who aboa nti esremo and say esiesi aboa yen use lorry ties. A person who slaughter an animal shall not use any poisonous toxic. Ebiso ho ya no mo use chemicals bi no mo dia pete aboa no no ma the jagus said a bear in tem that be it's not allowed. Basana na nam na nkasa na nipa na akwa akwa no nam no it has been contaminated and I say nam no so assay. If you are na about butchers, a butcher and the assistant we there na nkwasi for no omo there we there omo ya away. Say open so na nkwasi ni okruma, you have to first of all register with the assembly at a fee prescribed by the assembly and sana yama okwan na wa be yan nkwasi ni nti eno so sanity offense we nyina so otom mrana. Let's assume say ubeku nantwi anasa aponche aya aduane ama nipa dodo wamfa nko slaughterhouse anasa environmental health officers no ana ne omo penyin director no want me am expect aboa na oba na wo hu se bibisa wa otimi chew anasa otimi esama wo nti abasa obetua 20 penalty unit anasa obekọ for 3 months e de obekọ for prison 3 months nti yesre mo amoye choba ne restaurant no so obeku aboa bia the best adia obey ne say obefre environmental for no so momra mahwe aboa ya mekunu no aboa no ho tesen no ho ye oni yade bia ansana oku aboa no nti that is it nti eno so said the mekan no say want man ye na mera no eso mu dia eno de obia ne wo eni asem aje say woni mera na abd if you are you say payment of rate and lances assembly wo ho kwan say ye ba impose rate and lances ewo ebia property bia wo either it being abrosan and say any structure bia na I mean or say a person is liable to pay rate or lances from that approved by the assembly and he say assembly the bill brewa only who kwan obaka say wontua so issue or the best thing say obasan ba assembly na or the bill ma no na wa ba ho oba de wo bia no ye be ka ho asem na we so ma me fan to dwa say property rate and as any bill BOP bia ye de assembly ye de bill abro na say e bia bill na e be count sana na there's alteration ye depend aye alteration bi wo mu fabra assembly na say ma hu say bebre e de bia ba say oh me bill me nya na ye depend aye correction o de ba then we cross check from the system whether which one is correct na ya print for frama into we the extra assembly we are there to help everybody nti ye nya ya adwen say ebema obi aho a kire but ye the bill ba so a yesre mo say issue bi ani ho a revenue quarter o de bill ne bre wono na o de scanner man fe na won so de receipt amount
all right
kama say de be ya assembly so benya sika na ya boaboa no na ye de apem putu ana say ye mputu bi e wo blame center ha na say de be ya obi nam kuro be hu say ye de scanner ye bibi na scanner emma ye ko fa scanner wa hin na ye bibi
okay
nti we de I hope there's no go.
Udi AC no. Say bylaws laws there. Okay, can bomb bebre sa no a yitie ni sa na asore ko e ba bi. So as I say. Nti me pese ye be fa no 1111 nti ne ne wakeken ye.
Okay.
Bibi fufuro ha betimi de abam. Bibi fufuro ni ho de na ye emphasis na ye to so.
Me da se. Say amemfa bylaw no ntu na menka in general we de mesre atiefo nyina assembly there be me ba na me can say there is no assembly in Ghana bit me can say without revenue or no bit margin there's no assembly and also ya tiefo so nyina so be dia dance say assembly giska na adekura assembly giska na yeso is another issue nti we dey esre Brim Central dey scanner there are some evidence to that say scanner e dey bibi nti esre so wo tua sika ma nya wadwen say bia scanner wo tua ma assembly no obi na ekɔ ne butum no nti esra ye revenue collectors no omoba monya abotre mam se revenue collector bi bana okakasa bi kura na nya report no ana also so nye bibi a revenue collector so dey report bebreye nti esra tiefo nyina say mon cooperate with the assembly so de be ya e be ma Brim Central or da mine nkuro na aka nyina no ebe konkan
okay
because oda enye krokitwa obi baha na obi sese oda nia na akoye bibi wo nti this time there yepese yema oda ebe krabahwe nti yesre yema me a ono so ti akonwa yi so chief executive na need so ono say before obi fi office no na oda abe kru bia owura mu ana wahu say yes waba kru kase mu nti we de yebɔ mpa ye nyina yɛmoa no sɛ de bɛyɛ oda ebetimi ama oda ne nkura aka no gyedem asem oda nkwanta la ilabi krom ne yɛbɔ krom nyina no aboabo ni nyina bɛyɛ krabɛhwɛ ye rose so urban rose engineer so guso ya town rose ono so guso edi hu dwuma sɛ de bɛyɛ ye rose nyina so ɛbɛyɛ mo trouble amaye sɛ de bɛyɛ ana ya bola ho asem so yesre sɛ de na medi kan no bola de sɛ bola no emem ya na de yade eba nti yesre we should be discipline ourselves yama ntwan nka sɛ zoom line na sɛ assembly for ba pra nti wo sɛ what store anim na anwumire sɛ wo kwa prapra wanim kama sɛ wo de betumi aboaboa nwura no gu nkyɛn ade akyi a yɛba ɔmo ba safi ho kama sɛ de bɛyɛ akro no beti na ade obi wo ha na mara wo no musuo na wato subject na twene we de esre onu musuo na sa onu wi a o de babi a o de fananti ba yi subject nto twene just anyhow odu babi na das be wana o de atu mu na asam ayeboko anaye kama amaye wo ma moton kube so wo kwan no so nyina maka kire mo ka kwan na anya mo dia wo be ton kube a ton kube na off the cool tile no nton wo cool tile no so ano so mo nkai bono no ana mobile money vendors no si nyina last me kan say mo renewal no 80 cities renewal mobile money nti ano so ye guso announcement say de be ya mo so metimi aboabo mo ho atwea amaya before the end of the year.
Okay.
De anapa de menua me de besi ha na machi atiefu nyina.
Okay.
Na madawase so se wama me akwanya ama anapa yi. Mene atiefu adi nkomo kakra.
Okay, yenso ye da si bebre nti wo kwa wada roma mia me maame enso mete ne nka che ya no achi ana maame.
Oh, okay.
Se ne ho ye de.
Oh, ne ho ye.
Owa adwuma mu.
De
radias.
Ne ho ye pa.
Nti wo kwa wada roma she da kɔ ne office.
Me kwa akɔka ye se wo baba ko.
Na kɔka kire ne se.
Oboba.
Oba nya wo ba.
On the true. True.
Nti me chia no.
Obo me sure say wo kase wo tie because every Wednesday be wo tie anka.
Oh, okay.
It definitely wo kan oba kase
mate.
Na me ba dia so how dia wo nya kwa ya o ya me ba. Nti be sure so tie.
Okay, yeah, that's be brave.
Yo, thank you.
All right. Nti Bremu Central Municipal Assembly nkomo na etwagu sisi ya no. Yira Alodina.
What do you know?
Alodina Bolunga.
Hey. So when your simple names you grab phone went to Mamboy.
We didn't de nyame no kreni. We HR of our mum grab a payment went to me Modino. It's yeah, that's it. Now you send a besia. All right. Enti yabatfo adwumade no so e de amamo ewo eha no more 35 minutes after 9. Still live on AHENKAN933.3 FM. Yet was so na mame fasida enkoma Akim State College. Akim State College me no ka say omo de 2022-2023 academic year biometric registration no egu so a ɛkɔ so den was May June and afi NOVDEC nso so registration no still in progress and into wokɔ hɔ no mo a yɛbɛtumi afa wo na nkɔmmɔ aka nyina ɛtumi adi general art visual art business home economics general science technical yɛbɛkyerɛw ne nyinaa ebi yɛwɔ boarding house ɛde ma mmaa ne mmarima yɛwɔ modern computer lab nso so a ɛno nso so mo de bɛkɔ akɔsua adeɛ no aboa mo kama visual art studio for visual art students and fourth lab science lab nso so general science for no ɛna ebe yusu yɛkyi kwan nyɛ yɛra kwan yɛwɔ akyem ɔdan ne aboabo kwantempɔn no okɛvo akɔ ɔhema no efie mekyerɛ kotoku hema ne fie n'akyi hɔ wobɛhunu school no ɛwɔ hɔ kama ɛyɛ no afrɛn wɔ 0556 409040 0556 409040 and a 0207 163787 0207 163787 Akim State College, hard learning, easy passing. Fix herb so de enro miensa babontin so omo de mema de aba omo de malaria mixture so de aba and omo de Arabella ointment and only the sranti honam ani ensansa anasa ade bia yiniti e wo honam nani a ade se fix Arabella ointment ni be nyina e de free honam malaria de no so no sesi ensuo toto no 2 minutes bia na malaria ne namu me kamfo malamesha no e de ama ma won sanka bi ebeboa o papa pa mo amanum ato amuntumi enidi o ma won sanka bi obetimi edidi ahwenkwan ama wankasa wani beje na fixman capsules ne de eye power wa ye ka ho asem aye nwie da sanse ye maso ma no energy edi ho adanse both chemicals at Chimodan main lorry station or baby a ton and cock on 0205 885000 0205 885000 Oko Ochiniba drugstore, Amwafo pharmacy or Green pharmacy, Chumed C drugstore, Kennedy drugstore on sa ebekebi ututomu so konkran ubehuni en wo adenta katamanso eya no afren was 0208 444442 0208 444442 0302902071 eno ne number abefre na yetumi agye wo so kama pa ne krakra mu no ODI electronics ono nso so aba na ODI electronics ba ye abusua ode nioma bebre nu anade aba ode eboa yen pa ODI electronics set TV, fridge, gas cooker, blender, deep freezer. Then we here ye can for ODI electronics the amount. AHENKAN933 dankesi nim ena wo nso so ewa wo ba enkomo e wo ho no ye kama ye din komo ni wie yabon so waje wa dwapade wo na wo kro no ODI electronics usan ye ho ane aka nyina ya awe awu kotobekun ba ochire bi na ye kasa tenten wo hia obi ana wo kire mu a kire no eja tie bi ma me na tie bi ma me eno no ya asoden nti me kanfo ODI electronics the amount 0550 900600 0550 900 eno ne number wo fra enkomo no ne aka nyina ye betumi adi wachire ho na aboa wo kama pa baby a dro no ye de yen editorial no e de be hye so unse maka che say ne we will dwell heavily on the food and agriculture ministry me no e ka say Russian embassy a wo ewo Ghana omo de anu ye di aba unse minister for food and agriculture omo ka bia no a market omo ntumi omo kashiri omo ntumi omo nyoma na omo de show omo kashiri na Russian embassy wo Ghana ha atro krata ba bonten ese yen kan kire Ghana ban pen se ewiase niema bo aye din aduane bo aye din a ene ayi agric ministry ka bie no memo bia mfa ho so bo mebo wo menyo mo a because so wo hwe fact and data no a ahokire ne hyase amfie mienu akiri we are all fighting post COVID recovery ɛno one yegu so ye nyina ye nim sɛ ne covid ba ye be ravage the whole world. The whole world economy ni bibia brabo nyina no is in shambles, grappling. Enti wo de ne de ba beka se eye ntokwa yi a yi bosumi mienu kura ma ye e na ama mo ho kire mo a na no kura bi anim enyem na me kan o we eye Russian embassy a omwo Ghana ha e no mo de sa anu ye we e de aba na ebribi Ministry of Food and Agriculture omo de policy bi a omo friend say planting for food and jobs e de aba. Omo de ba ye in 2017. Omo ka kire yen say a panacea for productivity and welfare of rice farmers. Ye nyina ye bo yen sam e de ma womo because o hwe womo modus of operandi ene niema omo ye so omo de be ye adwuma enhyehye yahodo bi omo ye so omo de be ye adwuma no e ma Ghana fo nyina bo yen sam de ma Ghana ban se wa ya de se wa de planting for food and jobs e de aba. Enti 2017 Ghana ban etwa sika e de ma Ministry of Food and Agriculture na ne ewo mu nie se ye twa sika ne de ma asoye no a because of say planting for food and jobs no aban no ehunu no se e ba be boanti or said that pay sika special no de amasa policy no and as initiative no enko a na abusia data me ma analyze na ohwe the empirical methods Ministry of Food and Agriculture yes so mo de be adwuma oma to ne din say invents propensity weighting estimation and local average treatment. Brofo ne de omo trotro bebre no ade bae ntimi so minya abotre na me go through say eno no asechire ne sen eno omo kire say eye no na omo de ba behwe chimato ohawo ne enema hudu bi ya na ema kuyayo ni titiriu sa selected crops na omo ye say eno ena omo focus ni nyina e ba be koso no eya na duru ba bi achimato kakra bi de ba ho enti omo de sa method no empirical method no e de aba eno ena omo de ba be fight ohawa hudu bi ya na kuyayo no e sorry so enti enema hudu bi omo ye so omo de ba be adwuma ye makmako 5 main crops and omo ye say planting for food and jobs and omo focus nyina will be on it. One eburo. We share the history of Ghana eburo not the metric tons are from 2014 2015 no na instead anye encouraging inti aban buy o ye na bi say on tena Ghana ha emye nkokra eburo mfiri baabi mfa ma and inti omo de planting for food and jobs ne de ba omo select eburo dua e de kan ho emo omo de kan ho soya beans omo de kan ho sorghum omo de kan ho and a vegetables into vegetables no spread ya your tomato onion your chili pepper and in kan ho ni nyina ye some of the crops are abino select ye aw ye na bi so de ne focus e nyina de be koso abusia question am bi say say what is the state of Ghana eburo or Ghana eburo or Ghana is it in abundance soya beans Ghana say Ghana is it in abundance because common sense beka kire wo say oh yeah dear why ne back why ni mienu why ni miensa why ni nan why ni num na mfaso maso a e wo say wutumi tena se na analyze na uhuru ni say ade we say emwa me de wo say bigyae enti ene yen attention ni nyina will be on the main 5 main crops now almost selected ya almost some of the planting for food and jobs and internet ye be ma wo kwan na wa frɛ mo na mo ye kuafo a mo dɔ eburo emo ene nneoma ahodoɔ mo na mo dɔ o hwɛ sɛnea wo wa dɔ kakra bi a wo de agu baabi because akade no na nɔɔso nti kakra bi na wa dɔ no wa dwene sɛ unya mu ontɔn ne aba market no so wohwɛ ɛmo no sɛnea ɛteɛ no a is it in abundance aboro so planting for food and jobs ne baeɛ no aba bɛboa anaa is the same story nea amama mani abere nyinaa no sɛ wohwɛ sika a yɛde awura planting for food and jobs mu a oyam bɛhyew enti the first year aban ne twa sika boom and what they call planting for food and jobs. Second year 2018 aban ne twa sika boom and what they call her 2019 aban ne twa sika boom no what they call her 2020 aban ne twa sika boom no what they call her 2021 aban ne sika boom call her 2022 aban na san de sika boom call her but enra yi omaba beka kire yen say yede tamono de ato se yede aburo yede soya beans any other grains you know yede tamono de ato so meaning enoso a yebetimi di bia kwa amanone yenya minister nso ma ne beka kire yen say bumper harvest akoso enti se bumper harvest akoso a adan na yentimi mfa bi nkwa amanone enkoton na yenya mfaso na afedi ya sese da bia abusuafo baabi ya duro no mema obia mfa aburo nkwa amanone mema obia mfa soya beans nkwa amanone enti are we saying say ade na ade asi ho na 2017 2018 2019 2020 2021 2022 how many years in 6 years na we keep pumping money sika na edi wuram nso nye sika ketwa huge sums of money and edi bo wuram no na ye beka kire yin say yentumi mfa bi nkwa amanone because as a shortage bi ya akoso wo ba bia clearly not just say Ghana ye bu ye pani good and tuom as far as planting for food and jobs are concerned. Because in 2021 alone, my said that I mean per se make quote amount na ye di wura mu 2017 2018 because every year biano the money keeps increasing. Say a few way any 2 cities ya the next day near any 3 cities into year 2 musa into all pick from 2021 ebe pim 2022 alone 2021 abine day 439 million Ghana cedis equivalent to 70 million US dollars and what di wura mu 2022 abine tum wa page the free 439 they cost 614 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, they call planting for food and jobs and kwao. And ya Greek ministry no. Mema review say a Greek ministry ne wo hono mo no. E wo branches bebre. Ye wo mo ye kua ayi a friend is saying omo edua so gum ne sa anyoma no. Ye wo mo nso a say cash crop nyina kra san bambi. Omo nso so nya mmoa. Eno nso so wo ho. Emo anya no kre mu ahoro ye wo mo a omo enyen ensuomu moa ene wo mo a wo mo nya efie moa ne ewuramu moa no ye wo ni nyina wo ho branches ni nyina wo ho a wo mo nyina hia sika wo but ya single out planting for food and jobs nkwa and every year we keep throwing monies at it but emfa so papa bi amfa mre Ghana for enti mi bi saw enya causing financial loss to the state, you know, ebi na air cost no ana. Because as we speak, you know, Ekuyafo no they keep complaining. And now why any peasant farmers kasa ye. Fertilizer kura ma input akadia was ye de bre wo mo no. Emma enti sika no e den and ye de ma wo mo ye ka kire so mo mfanye. What is going on? Ministry of Food and Agriculture. And then ekoso. We should be truthful to ourselves so. And to say Sani be predicted say yanwe ye come beba no. E come no will come because it will get to a time okuani no ono kakra bi obetumi no obedo. Odo kakra bi nso na obekipu ono nko abekipu. Onfa mba market. Enti yenya ye ni afu a ye do no. Ye be dan didi. Ye beden ye didi nti wedum nyina ye issues a e wose mpanimfo madawro ma mo hwe na mo twema dwen kɔ hɔ na mo ye bibi de fa ho ade de wodi sika wuram ne mfaso ma you think about it nti betumi a mo rethink about it planting for food and jobs no Mon sign win a hubium. Nesika no yedi wuram no semfa so mpiem free so ma yenyai because minimum say planning for food and jobs to buy ye said that to talk cars pickups branding no planting for food and jobs e call all the municipal and district assemblies minimum so down for nya bidia enti ye ya de ne nya so mfa so a mo me anwene ho moye ya mo me nyai se ebe boa ye na chimato ba akomienu bi na wo ho a ye rekon ye be fa so ye be siesie no because they say mama kuayo aye too expensive mo so ya mo say maburu no empa adwuma mo empa adwuma obetimi akoye kuya ho an ka kire wo ene kuya unye sikani a untimi no kuya because sekan kura teta kura ne bo ye kan wasem a kire wo a oye mbehye wo ansa na ba Wellington boot a kane na eye fofofo no ene ye bone bo kire wo a ye mbehye wo. So okuani ne kura se won no obe yusu ene spray ya abeya ne buo no enya senketwa enti adenti ne ya Ministry of Food and Agriculture ne te say Ministry of Sports oba Ghana ha ye nya ka Ministry of Sports eno ane Ghana Blaster adenti ne ya ne sa why aduane de ye ene ti mani abri Food and Agriculture Ministry no so no because aduane ehwo kwa twe a obi ene wono obenya hoden abaye na dwuma doctor ni ntimi nkoye na dwuma teacher ni ntimi nko because obi abaye boho nti aduane de hu hia momo opani no adwene nko de awoye no so na wonya mepemampani adi no or compromise ne ho enanu say mate say ya or the figures bia betoto abonten afa na ayi ne nkrofo ne ye damage control say figures no because of so ye ni panti no betimi ayemfum so na thanks na ye divided ono kro no a oye Minister for Food and Agriculture no ono kro na epemampani adi edi ntu okoda de wodwene ho no at the detriment of 30.8 million Ghanaians odwene ono ankasa ni interest ho enti penifo yesramo we should think about the future. We should think about others. Unya opportunity to serve think about nkrofona wo serve wo mo no welfare ene kuya ye den kuya be ye the most expensive venture in Ghana. Enti say adwuma obi abetimi aye bi ye mobile money abemu we bi obi ne mobile money na no krampo ubie ne saa assembly se me na mini ubie ne saa e-levy se me na mini enti no ye na ya ma oman ni mu aye chechirebo nti unya ba bia akra na watena nya asomdie mama ye nyai mama ye nwene hu biom ya dwene hu biom ne ya dwene oman no ho ne ye nhihye yi a me ogidie se Ghana betimi akonanim because ye nya Ghana ni bi oye Ghana ni ba wo ama wakọ Nigeria kutu Nigeria fofo akere wo kwan o mefa so mu bedua mo na wo manya ne bumper harvest ama Nigeria fo tie Ghana ni ba na futuo ama wo madua mo na ne ko Nigeria kohwe Nigeria fo ahyase de mo free Nigeria akonkrofo aman so wo ka say na eye one day wonder no almost said that take a deliberate attempt to say this is what we want to do. But Oba Ghana had the question is story now is it the same? And to say yeah the politics. Now you're in charge and cry during the selfish interest. You better not queen anymore. A radio huni mobo. Yan fa for bear me and sunny and sorry so.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens. Citizens, not spectators. Citizens, not subjects. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
We about to dinner, baby, I free.
Oboba, I'm not paid. You have my taxi driver, big one.
Big one is you.
I'm not paying for points. Papa, no, I'm around when passengers are telling me that it's in the from Babo in a bottle. Oboba, Yamasi and kind of any person here when you be very warm. I'm welcome, Papa. Oboba, hunting for food and jobs are somewhere. Oboba, remember for your queen. Here, we are some of your queen. I don't mean a man who could take a cake. Oboba, and neck queenie, a quick form of Bobo, their common of the age mount. Now, I feel now, so now, Oboba, I was a conia, a man or year, not so Abano. Oboba, now, or the economy, which at one, for a 12 and a 4, and a dear broke for woman in gang. omu tana mono ana eton oboba ebeye den na me bi go yɛ me gyina wo oboba wetu me for sɛ be go akona kɔyɛ kua ahode be na me wɔ oboba sika be na me wɔ metum de ayɛ kua wo hu best farmer a oyo hia ni da wo bi a wate best farmer a ofri atema kinkansu ana ofri aprade ana sɛ ofri yɛ prese gahada omu yi na ago okrokasiem adwuma adwuma yɛ okrokasiem na yɛ wɔ akura ana nso obi te best farmer nipa na tenkan oti kumasi oteta kurade oboba nyame se anka na kore obrebe nipa breku Ghana ha papa and we this side I the post to oboba 50 cities you know na say na me eto oboba we futu na wo kan se mpani fo ne betia akoboba beboa but we ya wo kan oboba obi be fa amatan wo de ban call se beba oboba woni yakopon ye adwuma
yeah that's it me macho oh too bad o ma wugina so che ubetumi asan ba biem na ECG for yesre mo be se na kakra nie mo mfa bill ne mma o e macho udini ba akase free wada ro mayinti o
yehu se nana do ye na family minti na nana do distribute stand ma sector ya nanso empenipo ya mpanse community plan ada na oma o me yi o mintianem na mo ba mo se abani sese nje krapo yihiamo e ma bebo ama no ani mo twa pictures dire ni e de ko onti fi enyama ne so ba ne ma de boni bia toto so nse se de abani se bia memfa ma magu apo se e mo ndo mo bo atoto so e de yi se bia ko so na den minti ni se a big sector ne be ye bia dan penifo na mo wo office o e ta ma mo mani ko mo yi no mo timi bu akuafo no e wo down no mo nya ne ma na mo ba no mo de ba bi twa akuafo that's
yenso ye da se wada ro modini me bi akase free MP ni
no
yenti we
ya mi sha ha ni pe anyway you are power I'm in food plan for food and job I come be Ghana ha no this is pe jani o come na netin kan piafo aba body no adi afa wo ye ku adwuma wo tenkan wo mu ye first mpo ye nkoku afo egu ya si omo no mo de aduane bi wo bo mebo ya ben na omo pese bia farmers program no omo di bibi chew o come na de pen any paper no o so de farmer de ade no agi scan no edi come at the panel. Oh, not then, you know, young cocoa for your catch on the said, no more for major, a combat. And you are a and you're basically near the young farmer company about on money. About money,
Yami and count who final call out dinner because free.
Hello,
Mammy, be until
yo, Mammy Chia no pay. I mean, Chia, it's here for you now. Honorable Alaji, this is Zongo Cocos. Mammy Chia one of pay. And the master said, you may come at some swat. No queen, I mean, you are boy, Duma. Near the Yamiafe. Say, 11 years in junction out to near Henny, our court at the Abba. So, what to Abba at the Abanya on can of correct. I will come to us. Say, ya, you say, ya, no, my Ghana, ye be uno. And let your hand, your coso, man. Bro, ya crab bro, e de bagana na yen sase ne eda ho ye den na wo begia di se me de sa ayi hye won sa adeso doshi hwen sase a wo mo gege wo mo adua kokko ne mme ni etu go mo adua banche ni ade ni agye sase se ye de bedua nnua emia ni ye bedi wan ye wo gana ha mra nya dwuma na ye to aba ma obegu o man na o man ni nkwani ma hwe kwan a mo de gana fo efa so Shakunya mo de Ghana for faso.
Okay.
Yeah, they farm farm man mebunu enye bi ye. Sha, o ma wo de hihye ba say o say John Mama oba NDC be wi ni bet ye de John Mama ba obelu no. Ka kire o mo say, sa edan now John Mama sisi hospitals na sisi na o mu mia no. Any schools are dying, any sa dan na o mo sisi an ka say ka soldier for kwa ni police for kwa kokko tren. Sha dan yi ejapade an wo ba ya wo sa ndwetwe mu no.
Okay. Mami ebi ma yentwa so nyame adom a ochina ye da se Charlie yanko So happy birthday going out to you. Kweku Inkansa. Yetai Efro Red Hunter. He says, may the Almighty God bless your new age. Asane fo nyina anim ba kope edi free achem asane and what they buy inti to you Kweku Inkansa aka Red Hunter asane fo nyina anim say o ma happy birthday I don't see any adwumade ni di si e wo ha eno mo ne de aseda kwa ma odi ankan kwa me yeboa adwempa yini Kofi Mensah ka obi K Kwame Asante me ofre me obowo ba ofori amanfo ne ko yi o ye number no afre aboyaba so de anko yi no atwe adwe de asi so ti ase nipa na efom eye nipa na edi eche efia ampofua
obo
yakodi Easter naba na Easter ni twemu ansa na wadi wadi e Easter ye de awie afi wo simi ko break akra boko de
boko
say hon so boko de
oh oze
e ho boko
amiado
ye de radias so obi aho ye
obi say ye
enti wako we da be biem
ajire 90 kojohu
enye say ne mu what thing
oh ahia obo ahia
o chira be di won komo
mate
enti wo de to aso
mate ebusia anapa no du abapa ho sema mienu kasebota na mede bro saba hodro ne ebetwaguo ewe yankasebom woni tini headlines ena mede ba midin e de afia ampofoa na tie inshiasu wampidi atudwa ya wo kire se COVID-19 ye yifri wono mo a Ghana ya din nyina nya Ghana nkowiase afa na nyina ya Ukraine fo ntokwa ntia enu ntia gintum sasanso no ku jeto abla kwade atudwa ya wo kire se wamude majority for kokoto na FI levy ho emunsam ye de beba Freddie Blaine so de atudwa ya wo kire se yi ayu for report wamude aba no eni nyina so bia eye atente huro nti Ghana fo mbontungu sanso ena special aid de Ghana mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ono so abon nsem se hia ediama ayu reporter nan say abeto eye edwaso te so bia do so mu na wo so akere o madwen ye papa dia found sanso ene nenso be komanta mahudro mo sa report ya be dia himpa ene asid obofo ne de ne na ho apaso nti asemi sese no na eda paso obi atwe ne sere ne abasa nti be komantam awodro mo kwofon sama hodro mo e kan fa sa report ne ho ye de beba ukopie mu e wachema yire bi a ohima wo ho e de atudwa ya wo koto sere traditional area mechire kotoku traditional area for say omoma asumdue nkoso tob na kotoku traditional area no aye bisi basa ntokwankwa sanso na wobete se boabanya samo de atudwa ya watches MPP for 2024 wo mu ginam no mu nimpa se wo mu njuma hodro won ma baba ye nioma hodom de agu fom no ebebo mo mama wini 2024 elections no na NDC fo gina yo masies wo mo de ko Supreme Court fa 11 hu no eno so Ghana fo bi a kire wonom adwen ne kasebo mu ye bebusa se ede sika he na wo yusuo sese nkofo keka se nioma ye de nioma boa ye de nti e bebusa se sika ahe na wo yusuo de compare kane no a enso so ye abeda entemu ana apomudin sem so ye behwe cholesterol sania edi nipadua ne dem enu nti ya na wa chenwa so atie nsam ne bi na pramtobra kan kasebo ene enumre no nsia de wonioma bebre no a ena edema wo midin ede afia ampofo akasebo tawasi kwabna kosti ojeneja
Ghana kuafue Adama West Africa